Wow, dyan. Rembo, babos. Di ko kalo. Kaya ko pala yan. Yes, I love that. Did you look so like it? I'm not worried. I'm not worried. I'm not worried. Yeah. I'm not worried. I'm still in the street. What's going on, blood clot? Tell me something about this blood clot. Where them blood clot? You don't know. I'm going to do it now. One more blood clot. Remember me telling you, you're smart. You just be killing blood clot down there. You just be killing down there. Is that right? You just be killing down there. You! Come kill me. Yes, sir, come kill me. What you said? I'm going to show you me how. I know you don't know it. I know you don't know it. I'm fucking idiot. You're supposed to be on the Stop calling up the blood star woman, you can't man, not to be your man. I will fuck with you, fuck with you. No people from my house question and you know the blood clot, the man about the blood clot, I can't call up you man, you man, no, they're pussy clot. They're talking the truth. They're talking, nobody no better call me. They're not shoot them, man. They're not shoot them, man. They're not shoot them, yes, I'm not. Then you're not going to take him, man. No, why are you here, man? Why are you going to take him, man? Yeah. What are you blood clot, boy? Somebody not take him, no. Oh, you're telling me. Oh, you're telling him, so you. You're telling him that come back. Nice one. Look at your feet. Look at your feet. Go take it. Yo. If you ever do big to blood. How when that baby like your name a Gwendolyn Grant to kill you? A Gwendolyn Grant. Grant tell me no say Gwendolyn Grant to kill me, kill you and kill you. Oh. Kill you and kill you. What a nasty, dirty blood clot germ. The boy have been dead, you don't know, say pussy clot boy have been dead. Hey, look at what this some blood clot. You must get some pussy clot. Move your blood clot and wear that. Hey, pussy clot. Mr. Detective detective and investigator, you can't do me nothing. Really? Hey, you see it? Can't finger that pussy clot. Can't finger.
Which area?
She come a blood clot. Move on. What is this? Talk about your pussy clot. Talk about your pussy clot out there. Talk about your pussy clot. Blood clot. What do you do DNA test? What do you DNA test? Do a DNA test and make the picking show itself for you. And the argument done. Come up here. Come up here. Are you DNA test?